Welcome to Grace Kitchen, Canada. Today I'll be making jollof rice and beans with coconut milk. I'm going to show you the ingredients I'll be using to make this delicious meal today.
Here we have our parboiled rice. I have my chicken stock. I have my pre-cooked beans. And this is the coconut milk I'll be using today. I have my onion. I have my coconuts, butter. I also call it coconut oil. I have my dried goat meat. I have my mackerel fish. And I have my pepper mix that I will be using. I have my crayfish. I have my ginger. I have my mango cube, salt, and curry.
So I'll be adding my coconut oil to the pot. Okay. So now I'll be adding my onions. Okay. Now I'll be adding my pepper mix. I'll be adding the mango cube. I'll be adding my salt. I'll be adding my salt, curry, and ginger powder. Okay, now I'll be adding my crayfish, and I will be adding my dried goat meat. Okay, I'm just gonna let it simmer a little bit, because I want the flavor to go inside the goat meat before I add the other stuff to it. Okay, I'll be adding my coconut milk to the pot now. Then I'll be adding my chicken broth also. So everything is in already. Let me take for salt. Yes, perfect. I'm just going to cover for it to. Okay, now I'm going to put the rice in and the beans. I'm going to put the rice in right now. The beans. I'm going to pour the beans in right now. Okay. Stir together. Stir. I don't want the fish to overcook, so I'm not going to put the fish now. I'm just going to let it cook a little bit before I add the fish. So let me take for salt. It's spicy. I like it. Okay, I'm just going to cover and let it cook a little bit before I add the fish. Okay, while waiting for the rice to cook, let me do some clean up here. Okay, let's plug in the plate in the dishwasher. Going to wash all the things I use. Loading them in the dishwasher right now. Okay, now I'm going to add the fish to the rice. Adding the fish right now. Adding the fish. I made it spicy because of the fresh mackerel fish. But I like fresh mackerel fish inside concussion jollof rice like this. So if I want to make it, I'll make it spicy. So everyone can enjoy it. This is the end product of my concussion rice and beans made with coconut milk. Oh my goodness, this food tastes so yummy.
It tastes so delicious. You need to come to my kitchen. Oh, and perceive the aroma. The aroma is giving. This food, concussion rice like this. I remember those days for Nigeria where we go cook concussion rice like this. If we even see crayfish put sef, we go thank God. See this one now. Fish dey inside. Goat meat sef e dey inside. Can't even use coconut water take cook am. Some people call it sakpa rice. We call it concussion rice. For one just cook that and just call my brother, abeg make we make concussion rice. We go just cook am, put oil, put concussion. See, this is the real concussion rice. Well, it tastes so yummy, it tastes so delicious with the coconut milk inside. Oh, mwah. It's so yummy. You can give it a try. Give it a try. You're going to like it. You're going to like it. You're going to perceive, feel the coconut vibes inside. The coconut milk, you're going to feel it inside this food. This is me in the kitchen eating the delicious concussion rice. Oh my goodness. The taste of this rice, it's so sweet. The rice tastes so good. Oh my goodness. If you live close to my house, just come to my kitchen and have a taste of this rice. Oh my word. It's so sweet. This is rice for the weather. Very spicy. This snow. We need this kind of food. The weather is too cold. Snow everywhere. We just need this kind of food, this kind of spicy food. It's so sweet. So sweet. So sweet.